Welcome to the Million Dollar Trading Challenge London session Tuesday. On Monday, I didn't come online, so this is the first trading session of this week. So let's start by taking a look at important news releases that have been scheduled for this week. This is very important for us because, as I've been explaining to you, news releases are most important in moving the market. So let's start. Let me first open this Forex Factory window. Okay, this is today. Aussie dollar monetary policy meeting minutes. Okay, it has passed. Today is important 3 p.m. my local time. Pound Bank of England Governor Carney speaks. So sometimes the market moves a lot. Sometimes it moves when the central bank chairman, president, or governor speaks. So I've seen sometimes it moves a lot. Why? Because sometimes during the speech, see the chairman, president, or whatever the bank central bank chairman says something that rattles the market, and that's the time when the markets, when, for example, Janet Yellen speaks in a low tone, but last month when she spoke, and I looked at the pound dollar in the morning, there was a gap and pound had fallen. Why? Because she had indicated that the interest rate hike is still on the cards. Okay, so this is it. Bank of England Governor Carney speaks. Then at 5:30, important USD building permits, housing starts, and tentative New Zealand. So that's for today, Tuesday. Now let's see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow, then nothing important. 7 p.m. Canadian dollar, Bank of Canada monetary policy report, Bank of Canada rate statement, and then Canadian band dollar back press conference. So that, and again 10 p.m. pound Bank of England Governor Carney speech. So this is it. Yeah, this is important day, Thursday. First there is a pound retail sales, then there is minimum bid rate for euro, and then 5:30 European Central Bank press conference, and then unemployment claim. So what we will see is that euro dollar will keep on ranging till Thursday. So don't expect a big move on euro dollar either today or tomorrow because all the participants will be waiting for this ECB press conference. I've read it somewhere on CNBC or Bloomberg, some financial site that says that European Central Bank is trying to increase quantitative easing. So let's see with this press conference can be important. Okay, on Friday, French flash manufacturing PMI, then German flash manufacturing PMI, and core CPI, M by M CAD. So nothing much. Yeah, so French flash manufacturing and German flash manufacturing can cause volatility 50, 60, 70 pips. That's all. So that was the important news is that have been scheduled in this month, and as you can see, Thursday is an important day for euro because on that day, Serbian central bank press conference is scheduled, and market participants are expecting a policy decision to be announced during that press conference. So let's see what is there, what has been happening during the last few days when the market was, what the market was doing. Okay, now let's see. Okay, this is the pound dollar. See, market is moving between these two levels. So ranging, you can say on a daily chart. See, price has not been able to break below the red line. So its uptrend continues. So it's going down. So again on 1 hour time frame, this uptrend continues. See, price came down, red line bounced off, and again went up. Okay. So let's see now what's happening on euro. See, price bounced up from the red line of the daily chart, euro dollar, right? So I think price has found support on this red line. See, H4 for hourly chart, price fell, but red line is bouncing from the aqua line. So it will be an upward move most probably, and will come to know by tomorrow. C is a downtrend on the H1, so we have to wait and see. Now let's see what the other charts are saying. Okay, pound yen, same. Waiting for the Bank of England Governor Carney to speak. See, uptrend on H1, uptrend on H4. Oh, dollar yen, see finding resistance at the aqua line. Finding resistance at the aqua line. Most probably this is that 119.662. 119.662. Let's see what the See, 66261 is an inside bar, so we have to see uptrend on H1. So we wait. Aussie dollar finding resistance at the aqua line. First time it aqua line bounced up. Second time aqua line bounced up. Third time aqua line bounced up. So we have an uptrend that is still continuing. See, found support at the aqua line the daily. Now it's going up. So it's still an uptrend. New Zealand dollar again red line finding support at the red line. Daily chart again. Now it's going up red line. So we uptrend continues. Now see it ranging. Price has been ranging on in a tight range on H1. So it is like this. Now USD cat, there was a rally. Now it's going down. As I told you earlier, USD cat, Canadian dollar is negatively correlated with the oil market. So if the oil price goes up, you should see the Canadian dollar going down. And if the oil price goes down, you'll see it going up. As the price is going down, oil market, so you have the rally took place, right? This could have been a good entry. Would have given you like approximately 150 pips. Yeah, I mean approximately 130 pips. Right. Now dollar Swiss franc again downtrend is strong, and we have already discussed this. Pound dollar and this euro dollar. See if you had watched my Elliott wave analysis. Now there's a retracement and it goes up above this. So we will just wait for Thursday and the ECB press conference takes place. Now let's switch back to the okay. See, let's see if we can trade. I mean, binary options. 45 minutes. Okay, let's see. Up. Okay, let's see. Downtrend on M1. Downtrend on M5. We have to wait and see. So the candlesticks are very important indicators, price action. I depend a lot on candlesticks. See, can see this thing. And let's see. Uptrend M30. Our strategy is we can trade a 30-minute candle, and we will trade a 30-minute candle, and in that 30-minute candle we'll trade two 15-minute candles. So we have got three trades in 30 minutes. Right? We'll trade 30-minute candle, one signal, and we'll trade two 15-minute candles within that 30-minute candles, two signals. Right? That's how we are going to trade. Okay, that's for today, and we meet again during the New York session. And have a great day.